Number two is the non-negotiable Smoko. How many times have you heard it or said it yourself? Nah, I'm just going to work through Smoko today. Just got to get this done. Just got to get this job finished. We treat rest like it's a luxury, something to skip when the pressure's on. But that's like trying to run a nail gun with a flat battery. You just wouldn't fucking do it. So why do you do it to your own body and mind? The constant grind of long hours and tight deadlines is a fast track to you burning yourself out. Not mentioning how much it's going to affect your mental health. And that brings us to habit number two. Take your scheduled break always. It's not about being lazy, it's about being a professional. Your breaks are there for a reason. They are essential for preventing burnout, cutting down stress, and most importantly, improving your focus and safety on site. Now, when you're fatigued, you make mistakes. And our line of work, mistakes can be devastating. Think of your breaks as a scheduled maintenance. Step away from the tools, get out of the sun, and let your mind and your body reset. Get the apprentices and the other blokes on your crew to do the same. You've got to create a culture where everyone takes their proper rest. It's not a soft culture, it's a smart one. It leads to safer sites, better work, and a team that isn't running on fumes by Friday afternoon. Couple this with eating well, hydrating, and you will be totally awesome. So remember, take your breaks when they're scheduled. It's not a weakness, it's a necessity.